Hi everyone! Do you like to make silly sounds? I bet you can make a funny noise with your nose. It sounds like nin, kind of like a little hum. Are you ready to learn about the letter N? This is Nellie the narwhal, and she loves to make the N sound. Nellie lives in the ocean and loves to play with her friends. She has a big pointy horn on her head. It looks like a giant N. How funny! When Nellie makes the N sound, she opens her mouth a little. Then she touches her tongue to the top of her mouth, right behind her teeth. Nin, 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 Nellie says. Can you try it with her? You're doing great. Nellie has a secret to tell you. She has a friend who starts with the letter S. This friend is very slithery and loves to soak up the sun. Can you guess who it is? Nellie is going to introduce us. Section 5, Sammy the Snake slithers in. Surprise, it's Sammy the Snake. He loves to slither around and explore. Sammy makes a fun sound with his tongue. It sounds like S's, like a gentle hiss. Section 6, Sammy loves sunny days. Sammy loves to lay out in the sun and feel its warmth. The sun's rays make him feel so happy and content. Every morning, as soon as the sun rises, Sammy slithers out of his cozy burrow and finds the perfect rock to bask on. He stretches out his long, scaly body and lets the sun's warmth seep into his skin. It's his favorite part of the day. He says the sun helps him grow big and strong. Sammy believes that the sun's energy gives him the strength he needs to explore his surroundings and find food. He loves the feeling of the sun on his back, and he knows that it helps him stay healthy and active. When the sun is shining, Sammy feels like he can do anything. This is SS, Sammy says as he enjoys the sunshine. He loves to make the S sound while he basks in the sun. It's his way of expressing his happiness and contentment. Sometimes, he even sings a little song to himself, making up silly lyrics about the sun and how much he loves it. The other animals in the forest often stop to listen to Sammy's cheerful hissing, and they can't help but smile. Can you make the S sound with Sammy? Try it now. S is SS. It's so much fun to pretend to be a snake and make the S sound. You can even wiggle your body like Sammy does when he's basking in the sun. Imagine you're a snake, soaking up the sun's warmth and feeling so happy and relaxed. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and everything feels just right. So let's all make the S sound together and enjoy the sunshine just like Sammy. Section 7. Want to meet more letter friends? Wow, we learned about the letters N and S with Nellie and Sammy. They had so much fun teaching us their sounds. Do you want to meet more letter friends and go on an AZ adventure? Let's dive deeper into the magical world of letters. Imagine a place where every letter of the alphabet comes to life, each with its own unique personality and story. Remember how Nellie the narwhal taught us the sound of the letter N? She swam gracefully through the ocean, showing us how to make the N sound. And Sammy the snake, with his slithery movements, helped us master the S sound. They made learning so much fun, didn't they? But guess what? There are so many more letter friends waiting to meet you. Each one is excited to share their special sound and story. Picture this, an adventurous journey where you get to meet all 26 letters from A to Z. Each letter has its own world, filled with wonders and surprises. For instance, imagine meeting Andy the alligator. He lives in a lush green swamp and loves to chomp on apples. He'll teach you the ah sound while showing you around his swampy home. Or think about Betty the butterfly, who flutters around beautiful gardens, teaching you the BBB sound as she dances from flower to flower. And there's more! Charlie the cat, who loves to climb trees and chase butterflies, will help you with the CCC sound. Daisy the dog, always playful and energetic, will show you the DDD sound as she digs for bones in the backyard. Each letter friend has a unique way of making their sound memorable and fun. As we continue our AZ adventure, you'll also meet Ellie the elephant, who trumpets the E sound, and Freddie the frog, who leaps high and croaks the F sound. These friends make learning an exciting journey, filled with laughter and discovery. But the adventure doesn't stop there. You'll also encounter Gina the giraffe, who stretches her long neck to reach the geeg sound, and Harry the hippo, who loves to splash in the water while teaching the huh sound. Each new friend brings a new experience, making the alphabet come alive in ways you never imagined. So are you ready to embark on this incredible journey, to meet more letter friends and explore their amazing worlds? Together we'll learn, laugh, and discover the magic of letters. Let's go on this AZ adventure and make new friends along the way. Join us as we dive into the world of letters, where every friend has a story to tell and a sound to share. The adventure awaits, and it's going to be a blast. Section 8. This is the final part of our wonderful journey today. Time to say goodbye with Nellie and Sammy. Our delightful friends Nellie the narwhal and Sammy the snake have had such a fun time with you. They've enjoyed every moment of this adventure, and they hope you have too. It's time to say goodbye for now, but don't worry, this isn't the end. It's just a little break until we meet again. Nellie and Sammy have so many more exciting things to share with you in the future. They can't wait to embark on new adventures and learn new things together. You can watch our full AZ adventure video to learn all about the alphabet. This video is packed with fun and educational content that will help you understand each letter from A to Z. Nellie and Sammy guide you through each letter with songs, stories, and games that make learning the alphabet a joyful experience. Nellie and Sammy say thank you for learning with them today. They are so grateful for your company and enthusiasm. Learning is always more fun when we do it together. They hope you had as much fun as they did. Remember, every time you learn something new, you grow a little bit smarter and a lot more awesome. See you soon for more letter fun. There are so many more letters to explore and so many more stories to tell. Nellie and Sammy are already planning their next adventure, and they can't wait to share it with you. So keep your eyes open and your ears ready for more exciting learning experiences. Until then, keep practicing your letters and have fun with your friends and family. Goodbye for now, and see you soon.